Hi, Bill Kelly at the CAIA Association. I ran into my old friend Mary Cahill, now at Acansa, but Mary, I told you, every time I see you, I think
Yes.
of your days as the CIO of Emory's endowment,
That's right.
and I told you I've now paid 5 full tuitions there.
Right. And we appreciated that.
Well, the endowment did not come to my rescue, but it's there, and it's been a great asset for that university.
Yes, yes. Well, it's a great university, and I was the CIO there for 17 years.
And now Acansa is an outsourced CIO,
Yes.
so you have seen a lot over long periods of time in this industry.
Yes.
Somebody made the remark upstairs in one of the panels, what is old is new and new is old, but there must be some changes, and I think some of these, well, once asset classes are now very complex industries, but where are you seeing opportunities and challenges in the marketplace?
Well, I think that the world's becoming more complex, and I've been saying that for decades, right? But it just keeps continuing. And when you think about having a multinational portfolio with multi-asset classes, the amount of time and expertise needed is just incredible. And the reason I started this boutique OCIO firm is because so many organizations, asset owners, can't really do it inside. And so I'm an alternative for those that don't want to go to one of the big financial houses. They too, understand the complexity, but we're doing something that is much more of a customized approach. And I think with customizing, that's where you can really get the type of returns that certainly I saw at Emory, and we've seen with large universities.
And so would it be fair to describe your platform as sort of a smaller common fund?
Somewhat, yes. The difference is, I think that we're doing all of the back office as well as the investing. So I've got an operations team that takes care of all of that, so that the asset owners really can step away from that complexity and be comfortable that compliance is functioning, that there's controls in place, and that there's, importantly, access to the best managers in every asset class.
Well, congratulations on the model, and we've had so much on democratization
Yes.
at this conference and everywhere in the industry, and you and I as individuals, if I'm going to clip something in my 401k plan, and as an individual try to find the very best private credit manager, private equity manager, it's not going to work. And we need
Right.
this outsourced commingling, I think, for individuals.
Yes, that is very different. I think it's more difficult for individuals than it is, the ultra high net worth individuals can do that, can get that access. But my 401k money was always very simple, and I was comfortable with that.
Well, and I think as investors, if you're long-term
smart.
investors, yeah, I think that's not a bad strategy. So,
Right.
Mary, great to see you again. Good luck with the new platform. And if you have one more act left in you, I would think about an OCIO solution for the little mom and pops out there that need help from seasoned veterans like you.
Well, I will think about that. Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks, Mary.